Hi guys, so it is Wednesday, Vlogtober day 14. I got kind of slack on Sunday and Monday, but I redeemed myself by posting a video on yesterday, and that video was about the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Anti-Frizz Curl Defining Gel here. And this wash and go is the result of using that product. So if you haven't checked that video out, I will have that linked up above and in the description box so you can see what my thoughts were. So it is co-wash Wednesday for me again, and I am going to use the Head and Shoulders Royal Oils Moisturizing Co-Wash. That's here. Pretty sure you guys have seen that before, but I'm going to use that for my co-wash. I'm going to use Pattern Beauty's Intensive Conditioner for tight textures as my deep conditioner, and I'm going to use my leave-in by Pattern as well. Sorry about that. And this leave-in conditioner right here, I haven't used it in a while, but I do remember it being, you know, one of my favorites. And I'm going to pair it with a gel that I have used on this channel before, but I haven't used in a while. Comment down below, stop the video right now, comment down below and just guess what you think it might be, just for, you know, kicks and giggles. So I am waiting for 4:30 to get here so I can sign out for work and go ahead and start on my hair. But yeah, that is basically all that is going on today. Okay, so I didn't come back yesterday for Vlogtober day 14. So today is October the 15th. I did end up co-washing my hair yesterday, as you all saw that I was getting ready to do, and I did style my hair, and this is like, you know, it's still kind of like wet in the back, but I did band it last night. I still need to but I won't really like do anything to it to try to fluff it or anything until it's completely dry. So what I'm getting ready to do now is finish my laundry. I just took a load out of the dryer and I need to put a load in to the dryer. So I'm gonna get ready and do that because yeah, ready to get that done. pretty much it for this video, y'all. Like, I don't really have like a lot going on. I do have a mess up here on my table per usual, you know, that I do need to straighten up, but I know y'all have seen me do that many times before. But I will say though that this wash and go right here, like, I know, you know, like I said earlier, like it is still kind of like flat, but the definition that I have, you know, I do have like some crunch still on my hair on like certain spots, but you know, I think once I put my hair up in a pineapple, I think that, you know, and maybe tomorrow I think it will, you know, be nice and full, not too voluminous, you know, but you know, just nice and poofed out a little bit more. But as the days go by, like the wash and go is going to be like even more bomb. So I am looking forward to that. But yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video and put it out for you guys. And yeah, I should, hopefully, gonna keep my fingers crossed, I should have the video for this wash and go up on Friday. So y'all can know what products that I use to get this bomb.combo. So yeah, just make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss any other videos that I upload. Also, make sure the little notification bell is checked or rung as well. And yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.